Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video on how you can deactivate your TikTok account temporarily. So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before getting started, make sure that you've updated your TikTok application to the latest version, and also make sure to check your internet connection. So you need to log in into your TikTok account first of all. After you're logged into your account, you need to click on the profile icon located right in the corner. As you click on the profile icon, you'll be directed to your profile page, and right on top you'll be able to see a three-dot icon. You need to click on it. As you click on it, a drop-down menu appears, and from there you need to click on settings and privacy. As you click on settings and privacy, on the other interface you'll have a list of options. On this interface you need to scroll down, and right in between there is a section as accounts, and under it you'll find an option as manage my account. You need to click on it. As you click on manage my account, you'll be able to see your information that is related with your TikTok account, and right at the bottom you have an option as delete account. Click on it. Before deleting or deactivating your account, first of all you need to verify it. So for that, a verification code or an OTP will be sent through an SMS or an email, which you'll need to provide it right over here, and then click on continue. If you provide your correct information, and then you've successfully deactivated your TikTok account. In order to deactivate your TikTok account temporarily, you need to log in before 30 days. Otherwise, after 30 days, your account will be deleted. So make sure to log in before 30 days. And that is how you can deactivate your TikTok account temporarily. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.